Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And we talked that the new Firefox 149 had a new mode called Split View, which didn't exist on that browser. The Split View has been on browsers for a while, and on Google Chrome, you have it too. So it is extremely useful, especially if you work a lot with web pages that you need to check content. And, you could, of course, open a new tab and then have another page and another page and have all these tabs there. But sometimes you might want to have the websites side by side, maybe because of some text that you need to constantly refer to while you're on another website, or all sorts of things that have to do with, having a possibility of comparing websites simply. So there's, of course, split mode view in Google Chrome also. How do you activate it? Simple. Go to your tab that is active, right click on it, and you have add tab to new split view. And here we go. And now this new split view is its own little Chrome browser in a different window. And here you can go and check out other websites that might be of interest. So, for example, I could do space.com and space.com and then have this website open and check out different things I want to check, and have, two science websites, one next to each other, about different things, or, similar articles about a subject, which lets you, of course, compare all of that. Once you've done, well, all you can do is you just close one of the two tabs, the split view tabs, and here you go. You're back into a standard Chrome browser. So it's, like I said, useful in comparing notes and comparing websites and having similar articles from different websites and comparing the information, for example, and so on when you're working. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.